folder name is projects Arduino to the pen drive. Whatever you have done, whatever IR sensor we were using, that project is over. Check out the connection of IR sensor. Now we are going to use a new sensor over here. The new sensor which we will be using is DHT11, humidity and temperature sensor. पेन ड्राइव के अंदर फोल्डर है प्रोजेक्ट आर्डिनो के नाम से, वो आपको अपने सिस्टम पे कॉपी कर लेना है. I hope this image is visible, or else let me open up another image. Okay, this is the front view. This is the front view of your sensor. So here you can see the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number 1 is your VCC. Pin number 1 is your VCC, where you have to give the positive power supply. Then the data pin is the input for your Arduino. Data pin is the input for the Arduino. Then we have a NC that is not connected. It is not normally closed. It's not connected, or just cross it. No connection will be there on the third pin. Fourth pin is your GND. चार पिन है आपके DHT11 के ऊपर. So how you need to connect it? Everyone with me, place your sensor front side facing towards you. Okay, front side facing towards you. I'm going to place it from E1 to E4. The first pin of the sensor will be on E1 and the fourth pin will be on E4. Take out the previous connection. Previous connection जो भी आपने कर रखा था LED का या सेंसर का, वो आप निकाल दो आप Arduino का. That is not needed now. कुछ इस तरह से आप सेंसर को प्लेस करेंगे. From E1 to E4, the front side will be facing towards A, or you can say facing towards you. Front side will be facing towards A. ये आपका फ्रंट साइड है. It will be facing towards A. एक गलत कनेक्शन आपके सेंसर को बर्न कर देगा. It will take a second only to burn the sensor if you will do any wrong connection. So make it sure whatever is instructed आप कनेक्शन वैसे ही करेंगे. So the sensor is placed from E1 to E4. Now what I have to do, I have to take a resistor. I have given you one 4.7K resistor, a single resistor which we have given to you. Take out that resistor. ये एक छोटा सा कंपोनेंट रेजिस्टर है जो हमने दिया था आपको. It's a 4.7 K resistor. Color will be on this one, yellow, violet and red. So now, please listen. On E1 to E4 you have placed the sensor. On C1 and C2. On C1 and C2, please look over here. Excuse me, look over here. On C1, place the one end of the resistor, and on C2, place the another end of the resistor. Bend the resistor. एक लेग आप C1 पे प्लेस कर दो, दूसरा लेग C2 पे. In this manner, what we are doing, we are actually shorting the VCC pin with the data pin, because whatever the data we will be collecting from the sensor, the power coming out from this sensor amplifying that data by giving the extra power supply. Connected? Resistor connected? Now once resistor is connected, then on A1 provide the 5V from the power section. On A1 provide the 5V from the power section of Arduino. A1 को 5V से कनेक्ट, then connect A2 to the digital pin 5. Digital pin 5 को A2 से कनेक्ट करो. Connect your A2 of the breadboard with the digital pin 5. A1 को पावर सेक्शन में 5V से कनेक्ट किया है, A2 को डिजिटल पिन 5 से कनेक्ट किया है. कंफ्यूज मत करना. A2 को डिजिटल पिन 5. Done? A1 को A1 को पावर सेक्शन में 5V से कनेक्ट करो. A1 को पावर सेक्शन पे 5V से कनेक्ट करना है. Then connect your A2 to the digital input output pin number 5. Then there is no connection on pin number 3, so on A3 there will be no connection, cross, no connection. Connect A4 to the GND. Connect A4 to the GND. A1 को पावर सेक्शन में 5V से कनेक्ट कर लिया, A2 को डिजिटल पिन नंबर 5 से कनेक्ट कर लिया, A3 से कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं करेंगे हम, A4 को ग्राउंड से कनेक्ट करो. Any GND. GND is GND.
अच्छा ये पे सीधी हम थोड़े इंजीनियर हम बेचारे फील्ड में काम करने वाले हैं हम ये देखेंगे
I hope you have copied the content from the pen drive. Copied? Now, please listen. Your Arduino is an open source microcontroller. Okay, that means anyone can make their prototype. No one is going to claim that prototype their own. Okay, anyone can publish the project using the Arduino. Okay, but to make it patented, you have to use. You don't have actually not you have to use. You don't have to use this Arduino. ये prototype करने के लिए, right? For prototyping, there are many sensors available in the market that are also open source, from which this DHT11 is one of that. Okay, कोई भी अपने controller के साथ इसे connect कर सकता है, and the library file will be given by the manufacturer itself. आपको कोई भी program करने की जरूरत नहीं. The best part is this one. Program करने जाओगे पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या करना है, right? कि आपका sensor कैसे workout कर रहा है. The sensor will give you the humidity and temperature by using its pre-programmed library. Okay, उस reading के साथ आपको क्या करना है, that depends on you. इतना easy कर दिया गया है. Okay, so now to open the library, content मैंने आपको दिया है अभी. I hope कि आप सबने copy कर लिया होगा. Please remember where you have saved your content, because this is not the program, this is not the library. It's just the Arduino IDE software which I have opened. What I need to do, I need to add the library. Library file I have given you in the content. Okay, so go to the sketch. To add the library, go to the sketch. Then here we have include library. Then we have add.zip library. Go to sketch, click on include library, and then click on add.zip library. The path is over here. Click on add.zip library. It will ask you for the location for the library. As you can see, it is asking the location. So that is why I have told you to remember where you have saved your content. Okay, so I have saved in the drive A. It's up to you where you have saved in your computer or laptop. So I'm going to my PC, and inside the drive A, here I have some workshop content. and here I have IoT workshop file content. Inside this one we will be having one project named environment monitoring. आपको जो मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया है आपके आर्डिनो प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंदर में, one of the folder will be naming environment monitoring. Double click on that. Here you will be having a library folder inside that one, and inside the library folder this one is your zip file, the second one is your zip file. So select that zip file and then click on open. After clicking on open, at the bottom left corner over here it will write down a library name DHT lib already exists. For me it's already exists, but for you, if it is not added, it will show you here we have DHT lib. Go to file, everyone go to file, then examples, then scroll down over here and then you will find out DHT lib. Inside the DHT lib we have DHT11, DHT21. We have to select DHT11. Our sensor name is DHT11. DHT11. Select this one and a new window will be opened with a program. See, a new window is opened with the program. DHT11 underscore test. Inside this one, inside this program, it is giving me the author name who has published this library file, and then after that it is showing me a command line where it is showing hash include dht.h. Include means it is including something, so including dht.h, it's a hexa file. In this program it is including the library file. The small DHT will be taken as DHT, and the pin number for the DHT11, it has defined pin number 5. That is why I have given you the command to connect your DHT11 pin to the pin number 5. Okay, so there was a reason why I have given you the pin number 5 over there. Then for this one, serial monitor will start at the baud rate of 1,15,200. So it will be a bit faster than the previous one which we have used. Then in the setup itself, it is giving me in a new line serial.println, that means print in a new line DHT test program. That means it is a test program. Okay, serial.print, that means it is not changing the line. So that means whatever will be printed DHT test program, in the same line library version will also be printed over there. Then change the line using the serial.println, and then it will be showing you DHT lib version. As you can see here, we don't have the inverted commas. That means the version it will be taking from the library itself. Then serial.println, nothing is over there, that means a blank line, a space, and then in the next line will be over there. Then in a new line, type, status, humidity, temperature will be printed. Okay, so this all will be printed just one time. Okay, because it is in the setup. Now in the loop, it is printing serial.print DHT11/T is for the temperature,